Love you. Guys, welcome back to my vlog. So I was editing the vlog right now, as you can see there, and I realized I have lost a lot of clips. No, I did not delete them. I was transferring them to another folder, and all of a sudden they were not there. They did not get backup. There was no backup in my Google Photos. It was a mess. Let me not go into the details. I know things just don't vanish, they have to be somewhere, but I can't find them anywhere. So, including all the funny clips that were there from the time like when I was getting the vaccine. After that, we all of us sat down and spoke for a while and all of that. Those clips are gone. Also, the intro's gone. So here I am shooting the intro again so that I can go and start editing. Today's Friday. And I'm supposed to be posting today evening, so hopefully I finish this by today or you are gonna see this tomorrow. But hey, how you all doing? Nonetheless, the video is gonna go up. So this is the video about me getting the vaccine. I got coronavirus vaccine. Oh my god, how could I forget coronavirus का नाम? But yes, so this is that video. मैं ऐसे छोटी छोटी बना के बैठी हूँ, मेरे को काम करना था. जब मैं काम करती हूँ, I don't like hair on my face, and so I like put them properly पीछे, and also it looks like school की याद वाला hairstyle. But yeah, so what you're gonna see is me getting the vaccine with my family, and then the 2 days after, because they're supposed to have 2 days ka side effects. Also, Tuffy's birthday. So to the ones who do not know, Tuffy is my doggo, our doggo. Tuffy turned 6 on 5th of June. So I got the vaccine on 5th of June. So this is about that. So this is like 5th, 6th, 7th June ka vlog, and also the intro was on 4th June, which is not there, and all the clips before I got the vaccine, those are not there, about me getting up early, dying to get up early, and then struggling to change and find an outfit. All of those clips are gone. But like I said, I struggled to get up early first thing, because we had to get up very early. We had to get up at like 8, and I couldn't sleep until like 3, so I had like rarely any sleep. All of that was there, but I don't think that's there anymore, and I don't think you would want to see me struggling to get up also, right? But so you're gonna see from Mira, you will know. But yeah, hopefully you will enjoy the vlog. So here we go. Here's the thing, I'm scared of syringes, and we had to stand in this line to have the entry inside, and these people could not accompany us. Only the people who are getting vaccinated could, and you can see how I do not want to go. I just don't want to go. I am very, very, very scared. So, also, there was construction going on, that's the background noise. But look at my hardest Alvida and these people. I am shit scared right now, but we'll do it. The waiting area.
A few moments later.
As you can see, I'm holding my phone there, but like I said, I have lost a lot of my media files, and this was including one of those. But you can look at my face, I am screaming with my eyes. Nobody had this reaction. I almost screamed, but there's no sound in this, just for I don't want to embarrass myself. बोरे देख लो वर्ल्ड वॉर 3 जीत कर आ रहा है. अभी भी नहीं दिख रहा है. अब भी नहीं देख रहे है राम. इतना इग्नोर कभी नहीं किया मैं लोगों ने. अब भी नहीं देख रहे ब्रो. अब देखा, हाथ दुख गया मेरा ऊपर कर करके. Almost 3 hours later, and I'm sleepy. My hand aches a lot. Like where I got jabbed, right? That hurts. But otherwise, I'm just sleepy. Nothing major, just sleepy. That's it. So I'm gonna go and sleep, and that's also because I barely had any sleep last night. I woke up early, so I slept for like 3.5 hours or something. So yeah, 7 p.m. and I just woke up, so I slept for like 5 hours straight. Nothing major, no fever. My hand still hurts, We're gonna celebrate Tafi's birthday. They've ordered a few things. So yeah, my hand hurts pretty bad, so I'll shoot like Tafi's thing. 5 hours sleep. I have no idea what I'm gonna do at night. फोटो खींच सकते हो ना सिर्फ बीच में वीडियो के बीच में खींचना है हाँ उधर देख तबू
अरे दोनों ले
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू आराम बर्थडे टफी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू अब ले जो सर हो गया
भाई कट नहीं रहा है हैप्पी बर्थडे टू तभी तेरा दांत चाहिए भाई
वो ज्यादा सीख गया था वो
तुम लोग क्या किया
डैडी डैडी उठा लो उठा लो उठा लो फिर से काट लेंगे
वीडियो कॉल
Happy birthday, Dabu. Happy birthday, Dabu. Happy birthday, dear Dabu.
जय टफी
15 hours later, my arm hurts like terribly. This part it just hurts very bad. I had food. I had a lot of food. I had dinner में बहुत सारे ऐसे नान, पनीर, cake, burger, all of the nonsense because Tafi's birthday. But I'm feeling good. Touch wood, wood. Touch wood. उसके पीछे wood ही है. आपको समझो. But yes. Fortunately, nothing has happened till now. I'm not feverish, and they said in the next 2 days you can get it. So I haven't got it till now. Hopefully, won't get it tomorrow. It's all going good except this part, and that I am insomniac right now and I can't sleep because I slept the entire afternoon and it's like 1 a.m. I'm not sleepy and I'm just scrolling through reels, probably go make a few videos or read a little a novel. But yeah, that's the update. So
Guys, I know you all can't see me right now, but it's 5 a.m. and I can't sleep. This vaccine has taken away my sleep.
good morning. It's the next day. It's 11:20 a.m. So that's like 12 hours. Sorry, that's like 24 hours after I got the vaccine, and I tried to record in the morning when it was all dark, and I could not sleep. I don't know why. I tried very hard. I didn't even have my phone with me. Ki I was, going through social media that I couldn't sleep. I just could not, and I kept waking up. Like not even waking up. I just kept getting up from the bed, and that happened like so many times until like the last time I got up was at 6:30 something. My mom came. She started cleaning, and I was still up, and I was telling her that I'm like I can't sleep. Turned off the AC. It was raining. It was raining and everything, but I don't know. And I'm just pissed right now. So that's a great way to start it. And I really hope this pain goes away. It's. Ugh. So yeah. Good morning. Guys, I just bathed and I shampooed for the first time after coloring my hair because when I colored it, it said only condition it. Even that time, purple water came out, but today it was all purple, like the entire bathroom turned purple when I was washing my hair. I was so scared. I can't wash my hair anymore. Every time I wash my hair, tons of color is gonna come out. That was scary. I am not kidding. Okay, I'll go have food. Let's stop. I got Covaxin and I did not get it through Coven app. Like I obviously used Coven ka registration number and all, but the society did this vaccine run and that is where I went. I have to get another dose in the next 28 days. unlike Covishield, and apparently Covaxin के after effects are way lesser, almost negligible compared to Covishield is what I have heard. People who got it with me kind of have fever and all, had it once. I gladly, fortunately didn't. So that's the update on that. All they asked me for was my Aadhaar card, my reference ID, COVID reference ID, and that's about it. I didn't even have to wait for the observation center. I just went after like 5 minutes, and apparently this pain is gonna last like 1-2 more days, but it's kind of better. It's just if I touch it, it hurts, or if there's pressure on it, it hurts. So apart from that, everything's been going fine. Yeah. It's amazing. Quality is amazing. Oh my god, why is it that unhealthy food tastes like प्यार? यार क्या है? I am like sleepy but not sleepy, but like sleepy but I wanna sleep but not able to sleep. What is my life? But anyway, what is wrong with you, Piyu? Just yeah, vegetable juice. Can you guess all the vegetables in it? ये 1 चम्मच खा रहा है। बहुत सारी प्रोबो में लाइफ में बहुत सारी। इसमें है बीटरूट, घिया, नीम, हाँ कड़ी पत्ता सेम थिंग, और टमाटर और खीरा और क्या है मम्मा? बस ना? पुदीना, ग्रेप्स और पालक। इट्स रेड, ऑरेंज, ग्रीन, जिंजर, तुलसी, पत्थर चट्टा बहुत रैंडम सा पेड़ होता है कोई, जिससे पत्थर वो चाट जाता है, मतलब पत्थर चट्टा ऐसी तो नाम है। पत्थर चट्टा खाने से पत्थर नहीं होता, तो पत्थर को चट मारता है, तो पत्थर चट्टा। Done. मेरी इतनी शक्ल बन रही थी, आपकी शक्ल भी नहीं बन रही पीते हुए। Enjoying. कितनी प्यार से पी रहा है। पीने नहीं दोगे, वो शादी के कैमरा वाले नहीं होते जो खाना खा रहे हो ऐसे पूरे मुंह में कैमरा ले घूमता है। पीने क्या दो सामने वाले को, वो काम कर रही हूँ मैं।
एक आ रखी थी वीडियो, वो जल्दी ये करके कितने कैमरा लेके स्पून लिया।
शर्म के कारण ढंग से खाना पड़ता है।
हाँ क्या हो गया?
इसमें बीज है बहुत सारे।
A few moments later.
Hello guys. So the last clip must have ended abruptly because मैंने जूस लैक कर दिया था, because end में मम्मा भाभी put some आंवला का powder. So आंवला का powder she put the मोटा वाला, and the मोटा वाला came out as seeds at the end, and it felt like ajwain, and I just and the video stopped. After that I had dinner, I ate a lot. So finally I felt like eating. Sleep, still no sign of sleep, but that's okay. It's 11:40 p.m. right now, and I would be ending the vlog here. So I did not get fever, fortunately. Everything was good. हाथ में दर्द थोड़े दिन तो रहेगा, अभी तक इन लोगों को भी हो रहा है। They got it like एक हफ्ते कुछ पहले, और मैंने आज भाई को ऐसे हाथ पे मार दिया और उनको हो गया. So that's okay, but everything have been good, and 2 दिन ख़त्म हो गए, तो अब मेरा बहाना भी नहीं चलेगा कि मेरे को वैक्सीन लगी है, मेरे को सोने दो, मेरे को वैक्सीन लगी है, मेरे को काम नहीं करना, मैं सिक है. सो all that is gone. But yeah, guys, please go and get the vaccine. It's really important to get one. And I think I've read this somewhere. I'm not sure about how true is it, but they say that Covaxin mein you have less like after effects than Covishield. So if that's the case, that's good too. I'm trying to post every week. So I'm trying to post once a week now on YouTube. So stay tuned, turn on the notifications. You'll always get notified whenever I'm posting one. And I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope it was a little informative, little entertainment. You had fun. I love this. It feels like I'm talking to a person. It feels like I'm talking to my friend. It feels like I'm talking to my best friend, not even just friend. So yeah, I hope you feel that connection too when I'm talking, and if you do, then let me know. I just I could always like get a topic and start just randomly talking, and I'll also question a Q&A, like a proper Q&A. So you can always DM me the questions on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'm very active on Instagram, like very active. That is like my home platform. But yes, we doing great, and I had a lot of food, and hopefully the sleep would be back and we'll be back to normal. And yeah, I'm having fun, and I hope so are you. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and so is your family. So praying for all of you. I'm fortunate and grateful to be in this position, to be this privileged and everything. So yeah, I say so yeah so many times. मैंने last video में count भी किया, and I just realized I've been saying it all over again, but it's okay. You guys love me anyway. Okay, guys, take care. I love you all.
Out the window, and how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window, and how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care.